ABVX stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Abivax SA stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Now, no one else in the stock trading space has come even close to making 43,000 videos over 5 years and documenting everything. Well, I've done so. And generally speaking, with this, after almost a 600% increase in price, which is absolute 5x, I'm looking to just... This is actually almost a 7x, almost. And generally how this looks like for me is this. I mean, I'm just trying to squeeze the most juice that I can. I know pre-market is already above it, but if something works and the price pulls down, gives me confirmation, I'm trying to milk it the most that I can. Stay tuned. If you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. This is how it looks like for me though, right now. See you.